guys, it's currently 10:08 p.m. It's November 26, 2023. It's a Sunday. And I just want to do this vlog and take you throughout the week. Take you with me throughout the week as we're ending the long holiday after the earthquake. How are you? Especially sa mga affected area, General Santos City, Sarangani, and some parts of Davao Occidental. So I hope that every one of you is okay and doing fine. I know nakakasad kasi maraming na-injured, maraming nawala ng bahay, and some lost their lives due to the earthquake, and my prayer goes with you. We were suspended for a whole week. Nangyari yung lindol around Friday, 4 p.m. It's still vivid sa memory ko. Due to the earthquake, our building was under inspection. So, the school released a statement. Mag-online class muna dahil nga kailangan i-inspect ang building for our safety. It has been a week. Actually, sobra na. Nag 1 week na nung Friday. Ilang araw din kaming walang klase. Now, I'm going to take you with me throughout the week and study with me in preparation for pre-final. So, actually, last week pa lang, kasi nga wala nang klase last week, I already made trances for pre-finals. So, nag-print out na ako ng mga trances ko. So, ito yung mga trances na nagawa ko. This is for 3 major subjects. The orange one is for nutrition. This one. Then, the yellow one is for pharmacology. And then, yung green is for maternal. So, naka-color coding sila. was not able to vlog the entire day kasi medyo na busy ako. Marami yung errands na pinuntahan and inasikaso. So, yeah. So, ngayon, nagpe-prepare na lang ako. Wait, makita. Ayusin ko. So, ngayon, nagpe-prepare na lang ako ng no, not CHN, para bag ko for tomorrow's duty. So, let's do a bag raid. So, ganito itsura niya, guys. Parang plastic siya para hindi siya in case mabasa siya, hindi siya masira or mabasa yung mga nasa loob. So, ayan, of course, logo of Brokenshire. Then, dito na part, ayan, sa natin, are gloves na hindi ko pa nagamit, sterile gloves, face mask na 3D at saka yung KF94 na face mask. Both white para from head to toe naka-white tayo. Ito naman sa harap na portion is of course my notebook, jot down note, kailangan to kasi namin. Then of course gauze swab. Ayan. Thread, ewan ko bakit kailangan namin ng thread. Nail cutter na maliit. Ayan, wipes. Then dito naman sa big pocket is BP apparatus ko. So nabili ko to siya sa Medica. If you're starting in nursing, huwag ka muna siguro mag-litman. Kapaka-social mo naman kung mag-litman ka na. Pero if afford mo naman mag-litman, why not? Pero if you're a nursing student who is on a budget and ayaw mo muna mag-litman, then I would suggest Medica kasi 800 plus lang siya, guys. May stethoscope na siya at saka sphygmomanometer, which is yung pang BP, cuff at saka yung gauge niya. Tapos meron na ding stethoscope. Yan siya. Naririnig mo naman at saka hindi din naman siya bungol. So naririnig mo din naman talaga kung anong nangyayari kung nag-auscultate ka. Yung medicine tray, actually yung isa dito sa classmate ko, di ko alam bakit napunta sa akin. And then itong isa, medyo bago. Ito yung kakabili ko lang. Pen light. Ayan. Dali na natin siya sa ito yung inaano sa mata. Ginaganon. Pulse oxy ko. Ayan. Ganyan mo na siya. Then Povidone, iodine, to siya, betadine. Of course, antiseptic plaster strips in case may mga sugat, yung mga bata, or kami masugatan kami, at least pwede natin lagyan ito para hindi siya madumihan. Thermometer, digital thermometer. Yan. So that's it for my parabag. Amoy suction valve, ate.
Dira mo dapat.
Ano na lang.
Okay, magbalik.
Wala na akong pera. Nadiri tanan, akong allowance. Tanan, na judiri.
Tapos hindi lang yung makatuloy.
Kita mo na, guys. 40 kataas sa resibo. Nya dili lang dai madayon sa duty karon. Napakagasto mag-nursing, guys. Hi, guys.
Kalibreng gid man tayo, maragalanganin na. Ayaw sa diri tayo, diri dapat dapat. Ayun.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is a Wednesday and it's currently nasa 8:16 AM. So, nagpe-prepare na ako papuntang school. Alas 9 pa naman yung klase namin, but it's good to be early. Wow, kala mo naman hindi pa laging nalilate. So, ganito na ako, nursing. Kasi pwede naman kaming hindi mag-uniform talaga yung institutional uniform. Every Wednesday kasi wash day namin yun. So, yeah. So, good morning guys. It's a Monday and alam ko hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog these past few days kasi na-busy sa school and at the same time na-busy sa church kasi nagkaroon kami ng Marathon of Praise last night. So, it's a Sunday kahapon. Currently, it's 5:43 in the morning. And finally guys, may duty na talaga kami sa CHN. Pupunta na kami sa mga community to conduct interviews. So I have my para bag right here. And then yung CHN bag namin, personal bag ko, of course, water, electric fan dahil baka mainit later. And then payong. Say hi.
Ah!
Say hi.
Kasi yung vlog. Ako din lang.
Guys.
May fancy justice.